Hello friends, this is Space Fun channel, and today we are going to peek under the hood of a finished script for a 3D fighting game in Godot. We'll break down how our character performs an animated punch and how another character reacts to it. So let's make script overview. Here, first, let's look at the variables we can set directly in the Godot editor, thanks to the export construction. This is very convenient. We can easily change animation names and punch speed for different characters without having to dig into the code. Note that hit animation is the animation that will play on the enemy. This is an important detail. The ready function, by the way, it is Maxwell model, as I remember correct, Maxwell. The ready function is this function we prepare our character for action. Do three key things. Find the animation player, we get a reference to our animation node. Connect a signal, we connect the animation finished signal to our own animation finished. This means that when any animation finishes, this function will be triggered. Find the opponent, looks for the other player. Interesting detail, we create a debug mesh. This is temporary node that will allow us to visualize our punch ray, so we can see exactly where it's pointing. When the player press a button, the most exciting part happens. Where is this function? You can see here, and animation finished. You can see here. The on button pressed function is called when the player presses the attack button. We speed up the punch animation and play it. Immediately after playing the animation, we call the check collision. At the exact moment of the punch, not at the end of the animation. And the on animation finished function waits for the punch animation to end, and then returns the character to their idle state. Collision check. Let's speak a little about this. This is the most complex and most important part. Here we use physics ray query parameter 3D to fire array. You can see the realization here. We get access to the physics workspace. State, we set the start of the array. This is the position of a special punch origin node we attach to the hand. We set the end of the array. Here we use transform basis to get the forward direction, and a length of 1.0 meter. Space state intersect array here fires the array and returns a result. If the array collides with something, the result will not be empty. We check that the object we hit is another character. Collider is character body 3D, and that is not ourselves. If all checks pass, we find their animation player, add a small delay using await to make the punch look more natural, and play the hit animation. We define it at the beginning. And for more, when the debug draw variables is enabled, this code draws a red line in the 3D world, showing exactly where our array is being cast. This helps us understand why a punch might not be hitting and allows us to precisely adjust its range and direction. Right now it is false. Make change it and restart our application. Jump it. Punch. You can see the ray here. It's just a line. You can see here. Everything works. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.